Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel. We are heading to another destination, Brihadeeshwara Temple, also known as Rajarajesvaram Temple in Thanjavur city, located on south bank of Kaveri river. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and it's based on Chola architecture. We will be taking the Chennai highway route and will divert from Perambulur. The total distance is over 300 km with an estimated travel time of more than 6 hours. We start our journey at around 4:30 am and will expect to arrive by approximately 10:30 am. The night is slipping away, making room for the rising day. Need a quick coffee break? As you head south, you will come across plenty of spots for quick snacks and coffee shops nearly all major routes. So far the road has been smooth with 4 lanes. There are few patches and ongoing construction along the way, but the rest is in good condition. The remaining distance to Brihadeeshwara Temple is 251 kilometers with an estimated arrival time of 10:42 am. However, since we will be stopping for breakfast along the way, it looks like we will arrive after 11 am. As the temple closes by 12 noon, we need to ensure we reach before closing time. For today's itinerary, we are also planning to visit Rajali Bird Park, which is close to the temple. After that, we will head to Thanjavur Maratha Palace, which has a nearby museum and a bell tower. We aim to complete all these visits today due to other commitments. Hotel Arias. Oh, Shri Arias. Seems good place. Feeling hungry. Let's join back after quick breakfast. Oh, missed the turning. Is diverted at Perambulur. Instead of taking left, we went straight and we have to take a U-turn after traveling back approx 2 km. It's Kolidam River. By the way, Thanjavur is also called as rice ball of Tamil Nadu. Which river is this? Oh, it's Kaveri river. The water level is abundant. From this junction you need to go straight towards Thanjavur. At this junction we should take a right to visit to Brihadeeshwara Temple, while a left turn leads to the city market and the Thanjavur Maratha Palace, which we'll be covering later. Thanjavur is one of the few places in Tamil Nadu that has a blend of both Marathi and Tamil speaking community. The area near Brihadeeshwara Temple is quite crowded, with vehicle parking located to the left. Let's find some parking for us and we'll meet later. We arrived just in time to complete our darshan and capture a few moments of our visit. The temple is massive and is recognized as World Heritage Site. Despite the hot weather outside, the interior of the temple was surprisingly cool. It took us over 2 hours to explore the temple fully. Next we headed to purchase the famous Thanjavur dancing doll, made of terracotta. They were so beautiful that we ended up buying 2 of them. After that we visited Rajali Birds Park, which houses a variety of birds like ostriches, lovebirds, parrots, macaw and minibo. We have also shared a few glimpses from our time there. We were feeling hungry, so we decided to head to Sri Arya Bhavan for lunch at 4 pm. It was not that crowded, but serving order took time. As it was getting late, we decided to skip visiting the Thanjavur Maratha Palace and Bell Tower. We began our journey back around 5 pm but the road was quite crowded. Once we reached 4-lane highway, the drive became much more comfortable. On the way, we stopped for dinner near Tirchi before continuing our drive home. We finally reached home around 1 in the morning.